So you wanted to see me? Yeah. Welcome guys to Cute Cat Colors, part 2 of Pulling the Fire Alarm. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos, so then there'll be more. So this time, I want you. Can you comment your favorite animal? Can ya? So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna be doing part 2 now. So let's start the video. So yeah, you wanted to see me? Sort of. Yeah. Oh, well, so I'm sorry if it's a bit dark. Oh, it's fine. So I kind of have a plan. Nice. Never knew he'd. Hang on, I need the toilet. And guys, I never knew he'd be so interested. Give me some privacy, dudes. Sorry. Widows. Anyway, so I can't believe he'd be that interested. I really hope he agrees. You guys, out of my sight. Thank you. So I was thinking we can pull the fire alarm. You want to pull the fire alarm? You want to pull the fire alarm? Yeah. I never knew you'd be that shocked. Come on, pull the fire alarm. We could get arrested. What, I agree to this. But can you please do it? Like, wait. Me? You want me? Sorry, but I'm not doing this. Oh. Why, please? But, okay. Fine, I'll do it. Thanks! Whatever makes you happy, princess. Don't call me princess. I don't like you. Oh, sorry. Anyway, so, oh, it just got brighter, nice. So, someone wanted to see you. Sorry if she gets a bit awkward. Oh, that's fine. Oh, hi. I'm so sorry, buddy. That's fine. I'll just sit over here. Hi. Toby. Is she okay? I warned you about this. So, do you agree? Can you please agree, honey? Okay, fine. At what time tomorrow? Tomorrow, what do you think, sis? Friend. I'm thinking, what about in the middle of school? Because the exam is in the middle of school. Yeah, you're kind of right. So, we do it? We do it. Oh, I still have a... Guys, hang on, I need toilet. Guys, I have a really bad feeling about this. But whatever makes the girls happy. Okay, well, so we're doing it. We are doing this. Yep. Well, part 3 is coming out soon, so make sure to like and subscribe, and remember to comment your favorite animal. See ya,